Hello there. I have this knorr brand cheddar broccoli rice. It's a rice and pasta blend with broccoli in a cheesy cheddar sauce. Looks like it is 230 calories per serving, and one serving size is a half a cup. We made this today. Well, the wife made this today. Here's what it looks like as its finished product. It smells nice. You get the cheesy right off the bat. Not really tasting the broccoli though. Still hot. I do like the blend of rice and pasta. I think that works well together. I don't really taste the broccoli too much in this, unfortunately. You get the cheesy though. It's definitely got that cheesiness to it. I'll link this below because I know you can buy this on Amazon. And if you've ever tried this before, let me know what your thoughts about it are. And if you have not tried this before, do you like broccoli rice? Let me know. I'm thinking that it would be better if you steamed some broccoli on the side and then added it in after the rice was done to give it more of a broccoli flavor. As is, I would probably give this a 3 out of 5 or a 2.5 out of 5, something like that. Just because the broccoli should, in my opinion, should be a lot more present in the flavor profile. Lisa, what would you rate this at out of 5?
3.
A 3. I wouldn't rush to get this again. I mean, we probably will buy it again at some point just because it's quick and easy, but I think next time I will try to add some broccoli and see if that kind of gives it a little bit more bang, because right now it's kind of boring. It's cheesy, but it's one note, and I was hoping for an experience. Maybe I'm asking too much for this inexpensive product. I probably am. Let's see. Somebody was asking me about the sugars. 3 grams of sugar, it looks like. So that's probably not terrible. Thank you so much for watching this review, and we'll see you in the next one.